Alright, don't mind the voices. People are moving at the house right now. A new location because the original location is being moved to another house. This is the brand new release. Gemini A330-300. And I looked through 6 of these at the store to find the best one I could. Mind you, I'm going to tell you right now, this is a gorgeous model. Gemini once again knocked it out of the park with this new model. So I know that quality control is definitely going down. I've said that in previous videos, but the quality control is really actually starting to go up again because the 757-200 that we unboxed recently is very good. And this one is very good as well. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Here she is. This is the brand new release. It's a Northwest airplane, as all the A330s are. Beautiful paint on the engines. Like I said, the paint quality has not been very good on the engines recently, but on this model, it's absolutely fantastic. The nose is good, and you'll notice right away a difference on this model. One of my favorite things about this model is it has the spiral on the engines. The first release of this model did not have the spiral on the engines, and I was really worried about that for this release, but it does. And it's gorgeous. The finish on this model is absolutely beautiful. All right. Here's the landing gear. Got that characteristic A330 tilt. The beautiful front nose gear. Let's put this on. Oh geez, I definitely need to wipe this off. And there she is. Beautiful. Let's set it down on the stand or on its wheels and take a look. Absolutely gorgeous model. There's the new release 757 without winglets. A330. I watch these take off at work all the time. Gorgeous. And the Airbus shelf. Neo 330, 300, 330 Neo. Love this airplane as well. 320, 319, and 320. But the A350, I haven't got a replacement suitable yet. So for now, A330-300 fits right in there. Beautiful. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.